Welcome to Polish Kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare our homemade pasta. So to do that we need some plain flour, we need some eggs and a pot with water and some salt. Okay, so I put our flour on a table and then I'm gonna add our eggs in the middle, like that. Put it back a bit. And using knife we're gonna chop the egg and cover it a little bit with flour. So what you wanna gain is same consistency. Oh, it's running away. Maybe I put a little bit too much flour, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, or if you like you can add a little bit of boiled water. Now we're using knife to just break the egg yolks a little bit, and then we're gonna use our hands to put everything together. Okay, so I broke our egg yolks, and now we're gonna use our hands to put everything together. I think I will need to add a little bit of more water at some point. Maybe olive oil. As you see, I add a little bit of olive oil to our flour and eggs, and then now we're going to use our hand. Not coming together yet. I think we need more water. Okay, so after we add some oil, a little bit of water as well, because I use too much flour, we're gonna get to this consistency. And we're looking for something like this. Yeah. And now we're gonna roll it. Okay, just I separate a small bit, and I just put a little bit of more flour around. So our beautiful roller, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll it. On the way to have, looking for maybe like 2-3 millimeters, maybe a bit more. It depends how you like the pasta, you know. I like it thin, so okay, so I roll it nicely and thin. So what I'm gonna do now, just roll it again, like that. So what you're gonna do, we're just gonna slice like this, slice like a small cake. Maybe I do it too thick. I like quite big pasta. So you kind of tagliatelle. After I slice it, you're gonna get this small 3 things, and if you do it, and that'll be our strings. Yeah. So you put a little bit of more flour on it, and then you're gonna just open them all up. Okay, so water is boiling. I add some salt to it, and now we're gonna add our pasta there. So we're gonna boil it for, depends how thick is your pasta. We're gonna boil it for 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 7. Mine is quite big, so it takes longer to cook. After a few minutes, you see it's almost ready. As you see, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna drain it and then pour lots of cold water over it, stop cooking, and it'll be ready. And here we have a homemade Polish kitchen pasta. Enjoy.